Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can achieve those moon nails. I've seen such moon nails on the internet for a long time and I've always wanted to try them, and today I finally did, so let's jump right into the tutorial. For this design, you will need a base coat, a black polish, a fast drying top coat, a matte top coat, and some acrylic paint. For brushes, I'm gonna use a small thin striping brush and then a flat brush which I bought from Wish, so let's see how it performs. I already painted all my nails black, and next I'm adding a matte top coat. I feel like it helps me when I'm drawing on my nails, but this step is optional. Start drawing a half moon on your nail. Mix the acrylic paint with some water and apply it with a flat brush like shown. Go back in with some watered down acrylic or even like opaque acrylic until you like it. If you need to take away some product, just use alcohol and it will do the trick. You can also use alcohol to clean up the edges. This looks about right to me, so let's move on to the next nail. So I'm repeating all the same steps, but here I'm trying to achieve a more fuller moon, so I'm adding more of the opaque white. Seal in the design with either a shiny or a matte top coat. Here's the complete look, and I hope you like it as much as I do. I think it looks very edgy and it's very perfect for this season. Would you go for a matte or a shiny finish on this design? Let me know in the comment section below. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed it. And if you haven't seen my last video, click on the screen and it will take you right to it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys!